I wanted to ask whether you envisage perhaps some kind of theory accommodating indeterminism for free will, or sense of free will as being secreted in a secreted illusion, or perhaps being analogous to the moon illusion, or free will being beyond our comprehension in relation to what
I don't know. I have no theory about it. My only theory about it is it's probably a mystery. I mean, phenomenally, it looks like a mystery. The phenomenon of confronting free will looks to me like the way a rat would probably feel if it was facing a right, left, left maze. Something's going on out there, but it can't figure out what it is, you know. The phenomena look so obvious, it's hard to deny them. I don't think it's got anything to do with indeterminacy. I mean, well, like take, say, Roger Penrose, you know, the leading quantum physicist. He argues that quantum physics is wrong, hasn't really, is a tentative, temporary theory, hasn't quite reached the truth. And when it reaches the truth, it'll explain the mind. Well, I don't know. I'm not enough of a scientist to judge what he's saying. But, I don't see any reason to believe that. It doesn't seem to be getting us anywhere near the question. Quantum indeterminacy seems to have totally different properties. It's no more relevant than classical determinacy. As for Priestley, he was just making a common sense, I think he was making a common sense observation. He was saying, look, since there's no matter around anymore, because Newton got rid of it, things like the power of attraction and repulsion, which we don't understand in his case, and electricity and magnetism, which we don't understand, and human thought, which we don't understand, are just properties of organized matter. And we've got to try to understand them in parallel ways. As to how to understand them, it's the kind of thing that you never know until you've done it. It doesn't make much sense speculating about how it'll work out. The only thing that's worth speculating about, I think, is whether some of these questions are in the mystery space for humans, which they might be. And about that, we could conceivably learn something. They do have that feel. And in fact, I think Colin McGinn is basically correct in saying that most philosophical problems have that feel. Problem of consciousness, for example, is one, you can't deny. I mean, there are people who deny that people are conscious, or who claim that thermostats are conscious. That just seems ridiculous. It just seems an obvious truth, but nobody has the foggiest idea about how organized matter can have this property. There are lots of bad books about the subject which claim to have solved it, but if you look at them, they haven't done anything. They've just restated the problem.